Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at Fusion Markets. From their powerful trading tools and flexible account options to their strong regulation, copy trading features, and award-winning service. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Fusion Markets was founded with a simple goal: to make online trading more affordable and accessible to everyone, everywhere. They are well known for offering some of the lowest commissions in the industry, starting from just $2.25 per side, and spreads that can go as low as 0.0 pips on major currency pairs. Fusion Markets stands out for its commitment to cost efficiency, speed, and flexibility. Traders can choose from multiple leading platforms, including MetaTrader 4, 5, CTrader, and even TradingView, where you can trade directly from your charts. The broker also supports a variety of convenient and secure funding options, all with no deposit fees. The broker operates under strict oversight from reputable authorities, which adds an extra layer of trust and security for traders around the world. Fusion Markets is designed for traders who value low costs, reliable execution, and professional trading environments. Whether you're an active day trader, a scalper, or someone looking for a transparent and efficient broker, Fusion Markets gives you access to a broad suite of trading instruments so you can build a well-rounded portfolio. On the Forex side, they offer over 90 currency pairs with tight spreads, no dealing desk execution, and 24/5 market access. You'll also find major commodities like crude oil, Brent oil, and natural gas, which you can trade long or short with competitive margins and no added commissions. For precious metals, the broker covers gold, silver, zinc, copper, platinum, and more. Index traders are catered for as well. You can trade CFDs on many of the world's major equity indices, with flexible leverage and cost-effective execution. If you're into shares, you can trade over 100 of the largest US equities via share CFDs through MetaTrader 5, with zero brokerage. Finally, for crypto fans, there are low-cost crypto CFDs, including top coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Stellar, and more, allowing long or short exposure to the crypto space. Whether you're into Forex, commodities, metals, indices, shares, or crypto, Fusion Markets gives you a wide instrument range under one roof, making it a convenient option for traders who value diversity and flexibility. The broker operates under multiple licensing regimes. For example, their entity in Australia holds an Australian Financial Services license. In addition, they are regulated in Seychelles and Vanuatu. On the security side, Fusion Markets state that client funds are held in segregated accounts at top-tier banks, separate from the company's operational capital. They also require full verification for clients under Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering procedures. You'll need a government-issued identification and proof of address, and they emphasize data protection and encryption of personal data. When it comes to bonuses and promotions, Fusion Markets takes a fairly straightforward and transparent approach. One of their headline offers is their Refer a Friend program, where you and the person you refer can choose between two reward options once the new trader signs up and meets the deposit and trading criteria. You can take a one-off cash bonus up to $500 split between you and the new client, or a reduced commission rate of about up to 15% off per lot. The broker gives you access to a full suite of professional-grade tools so you can trade exactly how you like. Their core offerings include the industry-standard MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, with one-click trading, real-time quotes, customizable charts, and full support for expert advisors. MetaTrader 5 builds on that with multi-asset support, deeper charting, and tools like market depth and virtual private server integration. The broker also offers the CTrader platform for traders who want advanced tools, speed, and transparency. Available on desktop, web, and mobile, CTrader delivers a clean, modern interface with one-click trading, advanced charting, and access to level 2 market depth, giving traders deeper insight into market liquidity. It features over 70 built-in indicators and multiple chart types, making it perfect for technical analysis. The broker also gives you the ability to trade directly through TradingView, one of the world's most popular charting platforms. This integration lets you combine advanced charting tools, custom indicators, and drawing features with live trading, all from the same interface. You can execute trades straight from your charts, taking advantage of the broker's low-cost spreads and commissions, while staying fully connected to the TradingView community. The broker also offers DupliTrade, where basically you can link your Fusion Markets MetaTrader 4 account to the DupliTrade platform, and you can automatically replicate the trades of experienced, proven strategy providers. DupliTrade only selects traders with a solid track record of trading real money and strong performance history, so you're not just copying anyone. The interface is user-friendly, and you can browse through a curated list of strategies, choose your risk level exposure, attach them to your account, and monitor everything in real time via MetaTrader 4. The broker also offers their own Fusion Plus program, which is their in-house copy trading platform that makes it easy for you to either follow successful traders or become a strategy provider yourself. With just a few clicks, you can link trader and follower accounts, and your trades or their trades will be copied automatically. Best of all, the service is free, so long as you and the follower account trade at least 2.5 lots of Forex or metals per month. If that minimum isn't reached, a flat fee of around $10 may apply. Whether you're new to trading or want to copy more experienced traders, or you're a seasoned strategy creator looking to attract followers and earn performance fees, Fusion Plus is a compelling option. Fusion Markets offers two main live account types, designed to suit different trading styles. First up is their Classic account, a simple and straightforward account with no separate commission. The cost is built into the spread, starting at around 0.9 pips. Then there's the Zero account, aimed at traders who want the tightest possible spreads of around 0.0 pips and are comfortable paying a per-trade commission. Additionally, they offer a demo account for practice and a swap-free Islamic option available in certain jurisdictions. Both live account types provide access to Fusion's full range of instruments and platforms, so your choice really comes down to how you prefer to pay trading costs via spread only or versus spread and commissions, and your trading volume and style. The broker additionally offers a premium program, which is an invitation-only tiered service designed for high-volume or professional traders who expect more than just low cost. Members are assigned a dedicated premium client manager to provide bespoke support, tailored onboarding, and ongoing strategy insights. As part of the program, you unlock exclusive trading rebates starting from around 15% or more, access to advanced tools and VPS services, and entry into VIP-only events and seminars. The program has multiple tiers, namely Bronze, Silver, Gold, and Diamond, so benefits scale with your trading volume and activity. If you're a serious trader looking for a premium layer of service, lower effective costs, and bespoke support, their premium program is crafted for that level. Additionally, the broker also offers MAM account types, which are designed for professional money managers who handle multiple client trading accounts simultaneously. Fusion Markets uses the high-performance MetaFX MAM solution that lets a manager trade across an unlimited number of sub-accounts from a single master account. However, one thing to note is that using the MAM infrastructure adds a small additional cost. Fusion Markets applies a 0.1 pip execution cost across all products under the MAM system. Creating an account with Fusion Markets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Create an Account button. Fill out your email address and password, and sign up to create your account. After your account has been created, you will be redirected to the Fusion Markets client portal. Within their client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, view trading ideas, trading calculators, their economic calendar, copy trading, contact customer support, and more. What you'll want to do next is create your preferred trading account type, either a live or demo account. Keep in mind that if you are opening a live account, you will need to fill out your platform application and verify your personal credentials in order to create a live account. Or you can simply open a demo account. Create your preferred trading account type, after which you'll need to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Fusion Markets. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse through and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools and indicators to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's available platforms, Fusion Markets provides a wide variety of helpful educational content to help you with understanding the fundamentals of trading and to place your first trade. Funding and withdrawing from Fusion Markets is designed to be straightforward and cost-effective. The broker supports over 30 deposit methods, including bank wires, credit and debit cards, e-wallets like Skrill and Neteller, cryptocurrencies, PayPal, and country-specific solutions, so you can choose what works best in your region. They charge no fees on deposits, regardless of method. When it comes to withdrawals, the same diversity applies. You can withdraw via bank transfers, e-wallets, crypto, and other options. Processing times vary by method, from instant transfers or within 24 hours for electronic methods to 1 to 5 business days for bank wire transfers. Fusion Markets advertises no withdrawal fees. However, your bank or intermediary may charge their own fees. Deposits must come from an account in your name, and withdrawals are typically returned via the original deposit method to comply with anti-money laundering rules. Fusion Markets provides a robust set of educational resources designed to help traders of all levels improve their skills and knowledge. Beginners can access guides like the Beginner's Guide to Forex, which walks you step by step through the basics of currency trading, leverage, and risk management. For more experienced traders, Fusion Markets offers trading tools and market insights, including technical analysis, analyst commentary, and market updates to help you make informed decisions. Their webinars, tutorials, and blog posts cover a wide range of topics from trading strategies to platform guides, allowing traders to learn at their own pace. Overall, Fusion Markets isn't just about executing trades, they aim to support your trading journey, providing the knowledge, resources, and tools you need to grow as a trader while taking advantage of their low-cost trading environment. The broker also keeps its traders informed with a full-featured news and analysis hub. On their blog, you'll find up-to-date market insights, commentary on economic events, and expert trading tips, helping you understand what's moving the markets. They also provide an economic calendar highlighting key announcements and macro data releases, great for planning your trades around big events. Whether you're just looking for weekly market outlooks, deep dives into instrument-specific drivers, or just want to stay ahead of fundamentals, their news and analysis gives you the tools to be a more informed trader. Over the years of service, Fusion Markets has amassed a strong track record of industry-recognized accolades, which speak to their core strengths. Most recently, the broker has received the winner of the Lowest Spread Forex Broker, Lowest Commission Forex Broker, Best Discount Forex Broker, Best Zero Spread Broker for Commodities, Best Day Trading Broker for Beginners, and many other awards, underscoring their commitment to cost-efficient trading, accessible solutions, and competitive execution across different trader types. These awards reinforce that Fusion Markets isn't just promoting low-cost and quality service, they're being recognized externally for delivering those outcomes consistently. Overall, at its core, this broker stands out because it puts low costs, flexibility, and trader-friendly tools front and center, with spreads starting from 0.0 pips, commissions starting from around $2.25 per side, support for top platforms like MetaTrader 4, 5, CTrader, and TradingView, as well as copy trading options like DupliTrade and Fusion Plus. It caters to a wide range of traders, from active scalpers to long-term strategists. On the regulatory and security front, the broker holds licenses from regulators like the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, and the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles, and it segregates client funds, which adds a layer of reliability. If you're serious about taking your trading journey to the next level, Fusion Markets is a broker that delivers cost-effective execution, platform flexibility, and access to a wide range of instruments all under one roof. Beyond cost and security, Fusion Markets goes the extra mile with educational resources, market analysis, and copy trading opportunities, helping you not just trade, but grow as a trader. Their award-winning recognition for the lowest spreads and commissions underscores their commitment to providing value-driven, high-performance trading. So if you're considering taking trading seriously and want a broker that gives you powerful tools, low costs, flexibility, and support, Fusion Markets is a platform worth exploring for your trading journey. And that is our overview of Fusion Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.